We entered into the USA market through a contact that we had, and he immigrated across to the United States in the early 90s. So late 91, my father, Werner, went across to have an initial meeting with them. And then in 92, I went over and did a tour with Mike and went and saw various facilities. And we actually managed to get our first job off that trip. And since then, I think we've done about 160 shoots, 170 shoots, various projects, a lot of very successful projects. But it's a different market to South Africa in that it's a lot more competitive. There's a lot more companies in the industry. It's a bigger industry, but there's a lot more players. And what we found was when we went into the market with our unique selling points and our warranty on our product, very quickly there was a bunch of companies that claimed the same, they could do the same. And I've always been of belief that competition is good. It's good for us as a company because it forces us to improve and drives us forward. And it's good for the industry because it gives them options, and it also means that products are always evolving and improving because of the competition. So in the States, most of the shoots are around the Midwest region. We're from sort of the very western side of Pennsylvania through Illinois, Indiana, and then down Kentucky, Tennessee, Virginia, West Virginia, that sort of Midwest region. And predominantly on coal. There have been a couple of shoots in gypsum and lime applications. And we've had a lot of success, but in recent years, we've seen coal's battled in the United States, and we've really been trying to get into the steel industry and the hard rock mining, which is actually our strength. But still, very proud of the results we've achieved. One example was at the National Gypsum I think it's in Tennessee. The one complaint the mine engineer had after we installed the chute was he said he used to be able to sit at his desk and he knew the plant was running because he could hear the noise coming from the transfer point. And he said after we put the chute in, he would actually have to go out and see if the belts were running because he couldn't hear the chute anymore. So that was literally, tongue-in-cheek, the complaint he had. Each chute is unique to its application. It's not, we don't just take and copy something from one chute and put it on another one, because each application is unique in its configuration, the material that's going through it, climatic weather conditions, all of that influences the design of the chute. So each one is designed, and that's probably part of the cost, is each one has to be engineered around its own specifications, its own applications, the material being handled, and obviously what the client expects from it. And when you go to the next client, it's now different, so you start again.